What's up, guys? Backwater Bassin here. We're out doing some more duck hunting today. I'm kind of getting with you guys mid-hunt right now. GoPro is not working right now, so I just shot my limit. I'll show you here in a second. Eli, on your right. Bird landing out there. Yeah, I got my 6 birds. Eli has 2 right now. My dad has 3. It is 3:30 right now. We got out here. I set up around 1:30. Lots of birds. I mean, they're everywhere. You guys will see. They're just not decoying too well. Mostly pass shooting, but we're able to get it done. We're trying to finish up the 3-man here. I got my birds right here. Show you guys in a second. We got nice little greenhead, gadwall, 2 widgeon. I think they're both hens. Then we got little green wing and a hen pintail. So lots of hens and not very colorful birds, but you know, it's fine. Still a lot of fun. So I'm gonna get down the camera here and show you guys Eli and my dad shooting some of these birds. Shoot it! You kidding me? It's 40 maybe. Tour come from behind, Eli. Dad's gonna get this one. What? Widgeon. Gone. Yeah. Darn. So many guys shooting out here, and you know, birds start to come in and they shoot and mess you up. Eli up front. Just landed out there in the grass. Dead! Kill him! Oh, Eli got one over here. No. No, we're not gonna get a limit shooting like that. Ooh, whiff.
Lane is so far out.
Darn it. Shoot one, Eli. Woo! Yeah, I think I got it. Ring neck. Where'd he go? He hit right here. There he is. Drake Ringy. Nice. Here we go, guys. Call him back at us. This guy's been shooting all time, raining on us. Can't hit anything either. Kill it! Holy! Get it, get it. Oh my! Get it! You suck! That should have been one shot.
Dude, the first shot, I completely lost him.
It wasn't moving.
I know. I shot where I thought he was.
No.
And then I'm like, oh, the second shot.
It took you forever to see it. I'm like, Eli, right here.
There goes my box. He did it feet down.
I know.
Like he blew his feet down.
I know. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
That's your two Susies. Is it dead?
I got one more. Well, yeah, I'm not gonna cut the ring next. I only got one more.
Okay. Is it dead?
I'm gonna shoot in the head. It's like, yeah, it's still alive.
Okay.
Why are they doing it so nice?
I don't know. I think Dad's come back. Nice. Get ready. Shoot that thing. Shoot that thing. Thank you. Limit.
Baby.
Nice.
Dad, you went to the wrong spot.
Oh, guys, there's Eli's limit. His 6. I got my 6. Dad's got 4. Got 2 to go. He's gonna get over here and get him.
Huh?
Grabbing Eli's last birds here. Yeah, so I think it is. Yep. Hand widgeon. Here we go. There's Eli's limit. Yep. Woo! Third shot, got him. Is it dead?
I had all this light. Yeah, I know. That's why I kept on missing those other ones.
Hey, is that bird dead, Dad?
What?
Is it dead?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I had to shoot twice and the ones that are going.
Let's
Wait,
just
you look perfect now.
wait here.
Oh man.
What you gotta say about that, Eli?
This is awesome.
They're doing it decent now.
Yeah, the last hour is giving it up.
Last hour, it's in the last 15 minutes. But yeah, they started giving it
The
up.
last hour shooting like.
Oh, yeah. Well, there we go. Let's see if we can finish this off. One more. Get one.
Light them up! Bang! Bang! Oh.
Oh, oh, whiff. They did decoy.
decoy. Oh, I know, but I want to shoot him in the decoy.
You weren't paying attention.
Who's gonna answer me? I totally didn't see him. Bragged to him.
Oh, you. Oh. Come on. Oh, watch this one. You're gonna shoot him?
Yep. Green head.
These guys are blind. Jeez, yeah. Take it.
Are you serious? I want to beat down. There we go.
You see it?
There we go.
It's the limit, baby. Gotta say, Eli. Eli.
Lewis, baby.
There we go. There's our 18 boys. We got out here. I don't know. I probably started hunting at 1:30. It's like 5-ish right now. It really got good the last half an hour here. Birds are working real good.
Ah, yeah.
Sweet. Last bird, baby.
Oh, Dad.
Look at ducks all over. Doing the dirty after the limit.
We got 4.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like a duck out there.
Yeah.
Forgot about that.
There's my limit.
I'm one shy.
5 my dad's, one over there.
You don't have a duck trainer?
I don't think so. Where's your birds at? Right there? The limit, baby.
Do you not have a duck trainer?